All right. This is not what you need. Just hold on a second. I think that's you. Yeah, that's you. Okay, so I went into this is in your overview, okay? I don't think I need to go all the way back. I think you know what I'm talking about. So it's in your overview. And, math or art and music are going to be stupid. I'll do art and music for you. So I'll let you do social studies and science. However, for real, like if it gets screwed up, don't even worry about it. So go in here, by student. I can't even remember. I think it was an S. I'm going to know it when I see it. It's Stonepiper, Stone Cipher, whatever. All right. And then you're going to edit. So then you're going to come down here. What is today? So that would be last week. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to think outside, whatever. Anyway, all right. Having like a mini stroke here. Shit, it's 2:08. I gotta go. All right, so you're going to come over here and you're going to do due dates. And just do Friday. The Friday of whatever week they're on. So there's that. So then you'll just do that. I'm going to do all the way in Unit 3 or whatever. Remember the 11th. You're just going to make everything on a Friday. This is the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. Whatever. Why? I don't even understand why they have to do this. Just keep them overdue. This is taking OCD to a whole new level. Then do the Friday. And then do the Friday. Okay, so then you'll have Unit 4. You'll have Unit 6. Just double checking while I'm here. You'll have Unit 7. And remember, you've got a lot of these that are skipped. And then that'll be it, okay? So do that to science and social studies. And then I will do art and music because those two might be stupid.